Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be working on my BMW E60 525 diesel, which has that M57 straight 6 diesel engine.
And I think it looks pretty good. This is just a M-Tech or something bumper.
It looks a lot better. What we're going to be doing today specifically is straight pipe it, or well, let's call it a YouTube straight pipe. When I drive this to work every day, I do not hear anything from the exhaust. Listen to this. Now, let's see if we can do something with this exhaust.
This is the part I will be removing. I will cut it right there, I think, and just then connect another pipe which goes out there. I think this kills some sound. Whoa! What was that? That's not a good noise. Okay, I should be safe then.
Kind of nervous, but yeah, we need to get some more sound out of this straight 6.
I got out of power, now I found a new battery. Take 2. There we go.
Oh, we're getting somewhere.
Oh, woo. Oh. That went actually surprisingly smooth, I would say. I see that the angle is not perfect. I was hoping for just getting a exhaust pipe, which I have in the basement, getting it like straight on. But as you see, that angle, it's a little bit too much to the right.
Now, let's hear how it sounds. You ready? What? I can't hear a change. That's lame. There was no change. What is this muffler doing? It weighs a lot, and what is it doing? Nothing? But I think I have to remove more mufflers here because this is not good enough. This is not the sound I hoped for at all. This is not good. Well, we are now at day number 2 with my E60, and today I am going to finish up the exhaust. And I have actually borrowed myself a welder. That's right. So today we're going to weld the new exhaust.
So this is the welder, and it's quite a small one, probably not a good one. Usually I think these run on like some kind of gas. This does not, it just have that flux or whatever thread, and that has gas in it. So just power, that's all you need.
This is the first time I have ever welded anything, so I'm quite excited.
The problem was that it came out right there, and that line kind of hit right there. So I will use clamp right there. I will weld these two together. Then I will weld another pipe to that one, and then I will try to weld a cool looking end right here. And later on I do need to fix that one, as you see right there, because I think that also kills a lot of sound, but I will do that in the next video, because today I want to really focus on getting it nice in the back here, because it does not look any good like, I mean, looking like this. I've actually found a part of the downpipe on the Skyline. This right here, I think that will look kind of cool. I simply want to use what I have. It's kind of a budget build. This is what you just saw on the car. Then I'm going to weld this long pipe to this pipe. I will take ground right there. Kind of scary, but there's nothing I can do wrong about, like, if I weld it like that or weld it like that right now, because I can just twist it whatever way now. So I'm doing the simplest things first. Okay, are we ready? Woo! Damn! Whoa! So cool! Take a look at this. Isn't that one of the most beautiful welds I've ever seen? No, it's not. I'm joking, but it's something. And I mean, it works. I don't know if a pro would probably now see if I have too much heat, too little heat. I don't even know, but we're onto something here. I like that. Let's continue. Wow, this is so much fun! Woohoo! Now I need to take this pipe, which I have right here, and then connect this pipe. So we get this band and then this band. And now it comes a little more hard part. I think it's gonna be okay. But now I need to put it on the car, have the angle that I think I wanna have, and then tack weld it. That means having like just a few points so those will not break, and then I can go back into the garage air and weld it all together. Because if it's like that, or if it's like this, that's important, the angles here.
Woo! Of course I'm closing my eyes while I'm doing this because this is brutal stuff. I think we're good.
So now I will have to cut off this thing again, and we need to remember the ground. Working, I don't know, maybe it's gonna leak a lot though, because these are probably not such a good welds, but I try to like keep it a little bit in motion forward and backwards to just keep like have a chunk of metal there. But there is nothing that a welder can't fix. This is 3-inch, that is 2.5. But instead of using more money and buying an adapter, I will actually make some cuts alongside here. And then I will take a hammer and I will just smash those in like so. So it will like squeeze on the pipe. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe it's not going to work. But either way, let's give it a go. Damn, this is not looking pretty. You see, I'm kind of... this is not good. It's on there, so I think I'm going to say that I'm happy. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Yes, we're done. Here we have it. My masterpiece. We have been welding that one. It's not looking so good, but it's good anyways. We've been welding this. Looks horrible, but it's stuck on there. That's good. So over to this. The magnificent job I did in the beginning. Almost. This was the second time. Over to the first time. Does not look very good, but does it matter? No, it doesn't. This will be good! Now, let's get it on the car! This is an achievement! First time welding!
Woo! Goddamn! First custom exhaust! Ay, ay, ay!
This is good! There we go. Now we got the tip on there. Okay, let's fire the car up and hear if it sounds a little bit different now that we got the sound coming from here. Oh yeah, it actually feels quite sturdy as well. I think it really helped with that clamp I have under there. Quality work! From here, it looks okay. Want to see how it looks from the underside? it does not look very good. I am going to say that, but this works. I mean, this is terrible, but it is what it is. This is alright. This is okay. Then we have the clamp right there.
This video was about sound and looks, but we ended up with just one thing. Looks, not sound. Kind of bad, so I'm sorry about that, but now I have already tried this for you, so if you do own this car and you want some more sound, this rear muffler ain't going to do nothing. So now you know that, and yeah, so I hope this video was useful for you, and I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!